Hello, my name is Rusty Bascom, Chair of the IEEE Insulated Conductors Committee for 2018 and 2019. The ICC is a technical committee focused on insulated conductors of all types, including low-voltage building wire, utility distribution cables, industrial cables, and extra high-voltage power cables used for underground and submarine transmission of electric power. The Insulated Conductors Committee meets twice a year at locations predominantly in the United States where issues related to design, material science, manufacturing, testing, installation, operation, maintenance, and repair are discussed through presentations and evaluated for the development of guides and standards used in the electric power industry. Guides and standards are written or revised during meetings, and the ICC also is responsible for servicing these industry documents through interpretation and regular updates. Active participation in writing these guides and standards is a viable way to contribute to the activities of the ICC, although voting on the draft guides and standards requires membership in the IEEE Standards Association that is administered separately from the ICC. Standards development is one of the primary functions of the ICC and consists of personnel primarily from utilities, manufacturers, consulting and engineering firms, government agencies, and academia. These individuals volunteer and contribute to writing of the draft standards that ultimately are balloted by the IEEE for approval and publication. The ICC meetings also offer extensive information to attendees through presentations in discussion groups and subcommittees. Presentations are focused on current events in the electric power industry and specific to various types of insulated conductors. Topics include discussion on the latest trends in the industry, recent advancements in manufacturing and installation experiences, and operational issues affecting utilities and other users. Opportunities to make presentations at these meetings is open to all interested parties with advanced scheduling, coordinated with the respective chair and vice chair of each group. The spirit of technical presentations is to foster discussions of technical issues and are not meant to be commercial in nature. Attendance at the ICC meetings is open to anyone, and attendees should generally have a background in engineering or related topics to insulated power cable systems. There are many opportunities to expand one's knowledge of insulated conductors, related equipment, and system considerations, both for those new to the power industry or familiar with other electric power equipment, but not specifically cable systems. There's a short orientation program on the opening day of each ICC meeting, before the reception, where first-time attendees can get information to help them get the most benefit from each meeting. Members of the IEEE receive discounted registration fees, and first-time utility attendees may be granted complimentary registration. Attendees can participate in discussion groups and working groups to learn about guides and standards, as well as hear informative presentations. There are also opportunities for networking with other industry professionals during the opening reception, the networking lunch, the transnational lunch, or just visiting in the hallways between sessions. The ICC also offers an educational program where attendees may earn accredited continuing education units for renewal of professional engineering licenses. The subject matter of the educational programs is based upon member interest and is presented by experts in the fields that are discussed. The ICC meeting also includes a limited exhibit area where tabletop exhibits from vendors, suppliers, and other relevant industry companies can display their products and discuss their services. Emerging technologies are of particular interest. The tabletop exhibits are located in an area near the meeting rooms so that attendees can visit the exhibits during coffee breaks or between meeting sessions. Admission to the many sessions only requires payment of the respective registration fee. The ICC meeting is attended by members and guests from the United States, Canada, Mexico, and 20 or more countries from throughout the world. Although we focus on IEEE activities, we also interface with other industry groups, including AEIC, ICEA, and CGRE, among others. Upcoming meetings of the Insulated Conductors Committee are the 26th through the 29th of October 2025 in Amelia Island, Florida, the 26th through the 29th of April 2026 in Carlsbad, California, the 25th through the 28th of October 2026 in Aventura, Florida, and the 25th through the 28th of April 2027 in Boston, Massachusetts. Registration to each meeting opens approximately 30 days before the start of the meeting and includes access to a block of rooms at the conference hotel. Accommodation space is sometimes limited, so you're encouraged to make your hotel reservations early. More information about the IEEE Insulated Conductors Committee is available at the ICC website, or you may reach out to one of the officers or existing members for additional details. We hope to see you in an upcoming meeting. Thank you for watching.